Hi, you're on visiblenetworking.com. It's Chris Langlois, and today I've got the chance to meet with Naina Rede.
Hi, Chris.
Hi, Naina. How are you doing?
Good.
I'm very glad because we're in Mumbai today, so it's a chance to meet. I've been watching and reading Naina's blogs for a couple of months now, and I'm very glad I've got the opportunity to meet with her today. So thank you for your availability as well.
Thank you as well.
Thank you. So Naina is a famous Indian blogger and networker. She's creative director and founder of her company, let's say Aside, and the website is aside.in. Congratulations for that. And she's got a couple of blogs on subjects like online networking and innovation, for instance, plus other things as well. So I invite you to check her website anyway. So she's very well known in the online networking and blogging world, as I said, and she's very visible. So my blog is about visible networking, so that's fantastic. She's a fantastic example. And she's got profiles on OpenBC, LinkedIn, Ziggs, even Indian websites like Rediff Connections. So I invite you to check, especially LinkedIn. So thank you for that. So the idea is to ask you a couple of questions about two things, networking first and blogging. It's quite rare to find someone who's involved in both. I'm very pleased. The first question may be, when did you start networking?
In October 2004, that's when I found out LinkedIn, and that's how I started online business networking.
Okay, so that's your first experience is on LinkedIn, let's say.
Yes.
Okay, and you're still using it quite often?
Absolutely.
Very good. Thank you for that. Can you tell us about, networking in India, maybe just how advanced it is or how late it is, networking?
There are some people who do use online networks like LinkedIn, but most of it is still offline, where people go for meetings, offliners. They have Thursday meetings where they exchange business cards, sit and talk with each other. But it's still not so prevalent online.
Oh, it's not, okay, it's more offline than online, yes.
Yes.
Okay, yes. So it's a specificity of the Indian market. So you're one of the very first, let's say,
Well, I'd like to think,
visible person actually online.
I like to think that I'm the first, but I'm sure there are some others.
Okay, fantastic. I'm sure, anyway, I think you're very visible, so you're probably one of the very first. Maybe, yes, well, I'm a member, in Europe, it's a long story, of a European Association of Business Women Network. I'm just wondering if it's okay with you to ask the question, to be a woman and network, is it a difference in India? Is it more difficult, more challenging, or is it, there's no difference anyway?
Because there aren't many women, or in fact people who are networking online in India anyways, I don't think it makes much of a difference. I think the difference starts when I actually go and meet people offline. On online networking, it's not too much of a difference.
Okay, so there's no real difference.
It's all fine.
You're the first with the first anyway, so that's why. Good. And what's your motivation for, let's say, online networking, which takes a bit of time? Is it social? Is it more business?
It is definitely business.
Mm-hmm.
Definitely business. I love meeting people, exchanging ideas, emails, getting to know what they're doing in some other part of the world. But it's definitely business.
Okay, yes, that's good. I do the same as well.